Sanwanan guys, hayibola zilashisa ilanga. Today I'm bringing you guys a very delicious homemade inspired Magnum ice cream, and what you're going to need is some very cold whipping cream, which I'm adding into my bowl. I've added some chocolate sauce as well as some chocolate spread and some condensed milk, and you want to give that a good whisk until everything is well incorporated. And as always, the recipe will be down in the description box. So once everything is incorporated, you're going to add some chocolate chips. Now this is obviously optional. I love me some chocolate chips, honey, so I definitely add as much as I can. And then once that is done, then you're going to add your cream mixture into your silicone mold. Now I get a lot of questions as to where I get my silicone mold from. I bought mine from a shop around where I stay, but you can definitely find one on Takealot. And yeah guys, and then you want to using a spatula, you want to clean that up to make sure that it's nice and clean. And then I'm going in with my ice cream sticks, and you want to freeze these babies overnight. Once frozen, you're going to remove them, and then you're going to melt some chocolate. I've added 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm dipping each one of these ice creams into the chocolate, and voila, you've got yourself Magnum ice cream. Very simple, very easy. I hope you tried the recipe, and see you next time.